Hello beautiful people, welcome back to V's Kitchen. In today's video I will show you how I prepare this yummy looking delicious food. So welcome to my kitchen and let's get started. So guys, these are the ingredients I'll be using to prepare my delicious meal. In here I have my protein, my rice, my green peas, my salt for taste, I have seasoning cubes, my tomatoes, my tin tomatoes, my scotch bonnet pepper, my onions, then I have my curry powder, my vegetable oil. So first is to boil my protein. So these are my washed protein, my chicken and my beef. So I will be boiling it with my seasoning cube and my salt. Then I will be putting a little bit of grounded pepper, my curry powder, and a little bit of water, because obviously the meat has water that I used to wash it before. So I just turn it together and leave it to cook for a while. So after about 10 minutes, my meat is ready. Next is to fry it. So my fried meat is ready. Later I will be refrying it with tomato sauce. So I will set it aside. Then next is to fry my green peas. So I will be frying my green peas with salt and seasoning cube. After being fried for a few minutes, so now is to parboil my rice. So this rice in Spain we call it paella rice. It's a little bit trickish, so I will have to stir so that it will not stick together or it will not get burnt. So now is to wash my rice, then set it aside and fry my tomato sauce for my jollof rice. So now is to fry my tomato sauce for my jollof rice. I add a little salt to fry my onions. Then I add my tomato paste, which is also known as tin tomatoes. I leave it to steam for a while. Then I add my grounded tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper and onions. I stir and leave to cook for some time. So after a few seconds, I stir together and add my protein stock, I add my seasoning cube, my curry powder, then stir and leave to cook for a few more seconds. So after a few seconds, I take out some tomato sauce so I can use to refry my meat. Then I add my parboiled rice. I stir together properly so that all those rice will sink into the tomato sauce. I add a little water, I stir more, and I cover to cook. So I cook my jollof rice with a low heat. By the time it was almost ready, I add my fried green peas, and my sliced onions. I stir it together and leave to cook for a while. So guys, my jollof rice is ready. Now is to refry my fried meat and chicken with a little tomato sauce. So this is how it is. So after refrying it for a few seconds, I set it aside to fry my ripe plantain, which is also known as dodo. I washed my ripe plantain, then slice it before frying. So after slicing it, I add a little salt. Some people add salt after frying, but me, I prefer adding salt before frying. As you can see guys, my ripe plantain is ready. So this is the outcome of my meal, looking so yummy and tastes delicious. As always guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not, feel free to share, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.